Guess, what are the two Chinese words that lead you to your luggage after immigration? Here are the characters.
行李
Luggage. Let's break down the first part.
行
It has 6 strokes. Its original form looks like a crossroads. It means to walk or to travel. Now for
李
it has 7 strokes. Let's see it written correctly. It has the tree radical and means plum. So why luggage? It's thought that travelers would carry provisions like plum. Now, let's say it.
行
Second tone rising. Starts medium and rises to high.
李
Third tone starts low, dips down, then rises up.
行李
And you.
行李
Is what you carry on your travels.
行李提取
Baggage claim.
行李查询
Baggage inquiry. Next, you'll walk straight to
海关
customs. Let's look at the first character.
海
It has 10 strokes. It has the water radical. It means sea or ocean. The second character is
关
it has 6 strokes. It has
关
as its radical. It means gate, barrier, or to close. Now, let's say it.
海
Third tone starts low, dips down, then rises up. The second character is
关
first tone high flat stays high and steady. Now put them together.
海关
And you.
海关
Is literally the sea gate, the gateway where things enter the country.
海关在哪里
Where is customs?
海关申报
Customs declaration. Excellent. Let's recap the characters for your airport arrival.
到达
Arrival.
边检
Immigration.
行李
Luggage.
海关
Customs. You've successfully navigated the airport. Let me know in the comments. Any other Chinese characters you would like to learn? Make sure to subscribe to watch episode 3, Finding Your Hotel.